Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another natural remedy, that's the coffee and sugar. Coffee and sugar, they are so good to open up all your doors that have been closed. Open up doors in business opportunities, open up doors in being promoted at work, opening up jobs in being unemployed. So it opens all kinds of doors, You know, in life, whenever we be in life, we be there, we don't know what's next, we don't know what's going on with our lives. We have tried this and this, it has failed. We have tried applying for jobs, they're not calling us for jobs. We have tried working, but they're not promoting us at work. We have tried businesses, but businesses have failed. We are not getting customers. We have tried so many things. We have tried relationships are not working out. We have tried up marriage is not working out. So coffee and sugar is the best in everything. Coffee and sugar is the best game changer in this thing. So what we are going to do, we are going to mix coffee and sugar, mix them together. And when you mix them together, bathe. And when you're bathing, you have to manifest. I manifest, oh God, open up my doors that have been closed. Open up my new job opportunities for me. I'm tired of this job. Just open up a new job for me, a new opportunity for me. I want to work with one of the biggest organizations in the world. That's the UN. I want to work with one of the biggest organizations in this world. That's the UN. That's Bank of Africa. Any big organization you hear in your country. For example, in my country, in Uganda, UN and other big organizations we have. Red Cross, UN, World Food Program, banks, After that, after manifesting, you dress up, you go and sleep. You wake up in the morning, still shower, the same thing. You dress up. Actually, this time your prayer have to be very different. Like, I'm walking out of this house. I'm going to apply for this job. And when I'm going to apply for this job, it's definitely my job. It's going to be my job. The doors are going to open. The doors have been closed for a very long time. But now this is my job. This is my time. It's my time to shine. It's my time to get this job. After that, you apply for it and take it. Even those people are going to do fun interview. Bathe coffee and sugar. You manifest, I'm going for this interview. This is my job. No matter the interview, I'm going to fail. I'm going to get favor. I'm seeking favor in front of those panelists who are going to interview me. I'm getting a job. This job is mine forever and to be forever and ever. Amen. It's my job. Go and do your interview. And those people are going to business, who are going to their businesses, who have their businesses. I'm going to my business. Today I'm making money. Yesterday I failed to get any money, but today I'm making money. I'm making money. I'm getting a lot of customers. I'm holding money. My bag will never lack money. These hands of mine will never lack money. You get my point? And those people who are always quarreling at home with their husbands, who are not in relationship with their husbands, who lack relationships, like with their men or with their boyfriend, bathe their sugar and coffee. I'm always as sweet as coffee. I'm always as sweet as tea. I'm always as sweet as sugar. Me and my husband, we are good. We shall never quarrel again. We shall love each other to death. We love ourselves like Romeo and Juliet. And this is sugar and coffee. You get my point? So whenever you're manifesting, you have to believe. And whenever you're believing, you're supposed to have faith. And whenever you have faith, everything is to work for you. And whenever you have faith, everything is going to work for you. It's all about having faith, believing, hoping, and working it out. You get my point? So manifesting is the most important things in life. Use these remedies, you manifest. And whenever you're manifesting, you have to talk, you have to command, you have to beg. And above all, have a good heart. Don't manifest when you have a bad heart. Don't manifest when you try, like, will this thing work out? Will it work out for me? Will I have this and this? No, manifest and believe it's working out, or it's already working out for you. You get my point? So try it out. Come back in the comment section below and tell me how it has worked for you. And please don't forget, subscribe, like, share. Share all my videos. They are going to work for you. Share to everyone. Share to your relatives. Share to friends. Share to everyone who needs to listen to these videos. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Bye. See you in the next video. And please don't forget to watch this upcoming video. It's very interesting. Please watch it. It's very interesting. Bye.